Hi guys, my name's Ellie, welcome to my channel, and today we are doing a Dia unboxing. You might have noticed there was no December one because I filmed it and then I just didn't edit it. I had a lot of stuff going on between prepping for holidays, finishing up my old job, planning for my new job, breaking my computer and getting a new one, figuring out the new editing software, and it just never happened, and this is here now, so we're doing this one instead. One of the lovely ladies at Dia actually sent me a adorable little letter saying that she'd seen some of my videos and she sent me some 21 Pilot stickers. Thank you, that is so cute, and they are going to go on my new laptop because I have a new laptop and it doesn't have any stickers on it. And it obviously needs 21 Pilot stickers. So, thank you, you guys are adorable, and we have some stuff to open because I just showered and I need some clothes because there's a, you can see it, that is a laundry hamper full of stuff that I need to wash. So, you've got that going for you. Let's see what we have. Okay. A little out of practice. Oh, it's falling. So this is something sweatery. And like, it looks black, but it also kind of looks like it's maybe got grayish purple in it. Ooh, this is cute. It's like a little cardigan, which is like one button up at the top, which is good because I'm fat and I don't like when they button all the way down because they're generally cut straight down, whereas the majority of people have some kind of curvature, so it hits your hips and looks all stretched. But this looks comfy and cute. And I have an office job with professional requirements. Ooh, okay. So whether or not I like this might be something I have to keep just because my dad is obsessed with Hawaiian prints and he loves these flowers. And this is really cute. Oh my god. So it's like a dress. It's got a zip all the way up the back. Scoop neck. Really cute. I'm hoping this fits well and is, you know, adorable because this is something I would like to wear at work. I have sweaters to go with this. It goes with the sweater that they just gave me. Oh, this is dangerous. How did you guys get so good at this? Oh, it's got a belt. It's got a belt. There's another dress. Ooh. Oh, this is cute. Very cute. The belt does look detachable, which is points in its favor, but this is a nice dress with long sleeves. Oh, this is cute. Damn it, if these fit nicely, this might be one of those ones where I keep everything, because this is very cute. Is this another dress? Ooh. I feel like I maybe put dresses in my last thing since I was, you know, changing jobs, and we've got not like this month, but next month, so theoretically before I'll have time to like go through my next box, I have my birthday, 1-year anniversary, and Valentine's Day, 3 days in a row, so 13, 14, 15. My boyfriend hates it, but dresses are good for that, and I need a couple because I need to get rid of some because they're old. And another dress! So another polka dot dress. So odds are high that I will like these and probably keep a lot of it. Okay, so before we get too into it, I'm going to read, like I've been doing, I'm going to read the amounts, well, the names and the amounts, and then intercut the footage of me trying them on, which I can do because I'm just wearing my ridiculous dressing gown robe thing. I feel like everybody needs like a kimono style silk robe with flowers on it at some point, and it just fully embraces my old lady aesthetic, which, yes, the hair is not gray anymore, but I'm looking at houses right now and everything that's like 100 years and older, I'm like, ooh, you're so pretty. So, let's get into this. The Mira Lane Ingrid 3/4 sleeve chevron cuff shrug in charcoal gray. So that should be that initial sweater that we saw. Looks like this. And this is the sweater. So again, I did the little button. Let's unbutton it and see, because I probably wouldn't wear it with the button. Yeah, that's just cute, comfy. And it costs $49. The Leota Havana dress in black/white costs, it looks like this. This one is a very similar cut, again with the high neck, which is not always my favorite, but I'm starting to appreciate it for work because I'm on a desk, I'm leaning over. Something that's not a V plunge allows me to not worry about my bra showing. Again, I would need to wear a sweater over this for work, but cute, versatile. It's a much lighter fabric, so this would be good for when the heat happens again. And again, with that nice little, like, center thing to inch it in and a good length. This is really cute. Really cute. Costs $89. Ooh. Okay. Okay, sorry. I'm looking ahead at, like, the color descriptions, hoping that I can tell them apart and I'll be able to edit them in properly. Technically, the other two are navy and white versus black and pink versus black and white. So, we have a plan. The next one is from the Sabrina Collective. It is the Muira, M-U-I-R-A, long sleeve fit and flare dress in black/pink. Looks like this. I like this one as well. I like the floral print. I like the sleeves. It does zip all the way up the back, but it's a comfortable enough material that I was able to wiggle it around and actually reach it and zip myself all the way up. This belt would be going, because honestly, I don't think the dress needs it. I don't particularly like belts, but it comes off, which is fine. And in theory, I might do something with the elastic. I'm not the biggest fan of elastic wrists, just because even though it's not uncomfortable, it gets weird throughout the day. It's just touching too much. But very nice dress. And it costs $69. So the Sandra Darren Mesa Scuba Dress in navy/ivory looks like this. This one has to stay. This one has to stay. I love the pleating here to kind of cinch it in, but allow a little bit more fullness in the skirt. Oh, it's so pretty. This is adorable. The flower print is adorable. This is definitely something I could chuck a jacket or a sweater over and wear to work, but also wear it to, like, parties. I'm also of the age where a lot of people are getting married and stuff, so this could definitely go to a wedding. I like this dress. And again, with the, like, it brings it in, accentuates the boobs, the hips. I like it. And it costs $69. And then the Gilly Lenoir knit printed dress in navy/white looks like this. So this is the Gilly dress, and it's super cute. I do know, because I learned the dress code, kind of, for my new job, I would need to wear a sweater over this to take it to work, but this is something that, like, in the summer or spring, I could wear a sweater in to work with it and then take it off to be all, like, cute and, like, arms out. I really like it. I like that they have that line there, which actually hits kind of right at my waist. You can see over there, because that's where the indent is. That's just, this is really cute. And it's got a little, like, I like this. And this is a good length, because, like, right about the knee is a good length. And costs $59. So, I'm gonna go, it looks like the merchandise total is $335. You get the $25 styling fee that you already paid for the month taken off, and then if you buy everything, you get a 25% discount. So in theory, if I keep the whole box, it's $231.25. I have to go try some stuff on to give you footage, and then I'll be back with what I am keeping and what I'm not, and what's going on. See you guys in a bit. End result, I'm keeping everything. They all work really well. They all fit really well. The shrug, the cardigan, it's not my favorite. It's not the most flattering. It's not something I would have, like, picked up on my own. But in the box with all these lovely dresses that fit really well, are work appropriate, and allow some more freedom. Because my last job I could get away with jeans as long as they were professional, like, you know, dark wash, no holes. Type situation. I cannot wear jeans to this job, other than Fridays. Currently you're allowed to wear jeans on Fridays, but I forgot, so I haven't done that yet. But that's not consistently part of the dress code. It's an exception, so the ability to, I had to go out and, like, buy some extra pants, so I had something to rotate in. I wasn't wearing the same pair of pants every day with a different top and sweater. the dresses are fantastic. That really opens up my wardrobe and allows me to spend a little less time on the same outfit. And they're fantastic. I really, really, really like the Hawaiian floral print one. That's adorable. But I changed to something else because I have to do some stuff and some errands. I have to go look at a house. But thank you guys for watching. I will see you next time. Thank you, Dia, for really just nailing this one. It's expensive for you guys to make these fantastic boxes that I have to buy everything in, but it's great to get something and be excited about all the items in it. And I really appreciate it. Thank you guys. Yeah. I have to go look at a house and do laundry and my face. Still need to do the face.